Hello, I'm Jean-Baptiste and I'm going to show you the business values of the share feature of the Data Explorer. In the first part of this video, I will explain the purpose of Share Data Views. In the second part, you will see how to share and manage data view. And in the last part, I will show you how Share Data View can be customized for the purpose of dynamic dashboards. The Share Data View feature allows reusing ready-made data tables, charts, or maps outside of the Data Explorer in which they were originally made. A very important use case is embedding one of these views into a web page in order to enhance the communication and enrich the user experience. Such views can nicely complement an article, press release, or alike. The shared data views can also be posted directly on social media, such as Facebook, LinkedIn, or Twitter. A major advantage of using the shared data views systematically across an organization and its media presence is to promote its brand and visibility by using a corporate themes, including specific styles and colors, that comes out of the box with the Data Explorer and its dedicated features. So, what you've learned in this first part is that you can share ready-made data views outside of the Data Explorer. These views are embeddable and directly shareable on social media using corporate themes and styles. Now, let's see how users can easily share and manage data view from the Data Explorer. I will start from a table view with a reduced selection of dimension. Then I generate the table view and I select the Share option in the toolbar. I can either request for a data snapshot or always get the latest data within the time range of my selection, meaning that if the underlying data is updated, my share view will also be updated every time I view it. For the purpose of this demo, I will select latest available data. Then I enter my email address, unless I'm already logged in which case my email is pre-filled. Once I click on Request URL and Unbind code, I go to my mailbox and confirm my email. Clicking on Confirm your email opens a new temporary Data Explorer share page in which I can, as a final step, generate the share data view by clicking on Activate Visualization. And there it is, I have a new shared data table view. Now, let's quickly see how I can manage my list of shared data views. Going back to the Data Explorer share page, I can see the list of all my active shared views. Each one has a unique ID. It can be a table view or a chart view. Here, for example, is a stack bar chart. And here is another example for a timeline chart. Each view has a default and technically configurable expiration date, which is automatically renewed every time someone accesses the shared view. Many share options for social media are available, including the code snippet to embed into a website. Also, I can delete a single share view, or I can delete them all at once, allowing me to delete all my personal information, including my email address. So, what you've learned in this part is that you can share a data view by providing your email address. A single page view allows you to manage all of your share views in a secured and flexible way. Now, in the final part of this video, I will demo the customization of a view. Let's take this data table. Customization is only possible when you've made a request for latest available data. While the URL of each view is unique, it's possible to customize it by adding one or more filter selections. For instance, I created this data table with data from 2017 to 2020, But if I want to see the data also for 2016, I can add this parameter at the end of the URL, which correspond to period start and period end. I press enter, and there it is. My table view is updated with 2016 data. I can also change variables like country or region or any other dimension or attribute belonging to the same dataset. This may be very useful when you want to easily build, let's say, a dynamic dashboard from one single source, but with several tables or charts, and a feature to switch between reference area, time periods, or any other variables. Or you may want to use a single shared data view in multiple contexts with varying filter selections. So, what you've learned in this last part is that you can customize data views in order to display more data. This allows you to create dynamic dashboard into website using a single source of data. And check our documentation to find more about the customization of data views. Alright, that's it. Thanks for watching and check the Dot Academy for more videos and online courses.